Hi children, today I came with a new topic, that is new Cartesian sign convention. By seeing this image you will get little bit new thing. It is little bit like unknown thing. We not heard up to now this thing. This is very useful to do numericals in case of the spherical surfaces, especially spherical mirrors and spherical lenses. When we come to the refraction lesson, we are going to discuss that thing also. For both, I am going to give here only very easy method. Now different teachers are going to teach in the different way. I am going to give the one easy method to you. How we are going to take in this session, means in this video, we are going to discuss what is meant by distance of the object, what is meant by distance of the image, and when we will take distance of the object is the negative, when we will take distance of the object is positive, or distance of the image is negative or positive, how we can take height of the object is positive or negative. These are all things we are going to discuss here. So now giving that sign, how we are going to provide the sign for the distance of the object or distance of the image, that method is called new Cartesian method. Easy thing, nothing is there. From the class 8-9 we know that graph paper. Simply just to imagine the one graphical representation, means a graphical axis. This is, I am going to say, the y-axis. This axis I am going to take, means this is I just imagined. Actually there is no need y-axis and x-axis, but just I have taken. So now this is the x-axis. Whatever is the mirror given to you, that mirror you should take. Generally in this graph paper, you know, this is the origin, sir. Origin means distance is what? No, 0. So for example, I am going to apply, this is for the concave mirror. Applying for concave mirror, that's why I am writing here concave mirror. How I am going to apply? What is the concave mirror given to you? That mirror simply keep at the origin. The pole of the mirror should be at the origin. This is the concave mirror, means back side is the colored. You know, in this graph paper, this side is, mean this axis is positive axis, this axis is negative axis. Above this axis mean this y-axis, this is the positive and this is the negative. For example, easy to understand, I am going to take one example here. One object is kept here. This is the object AB, children, and anywhere according to the situation, if it is at the center or focus or between the center of curvature and focus, then it is going to make the image. So now I am going to take simply, this is the focus, this is the center of curvature. You know very well, sir, object is behind the C, then image is going to formed between C and F. This is what, Nana? This is the A dash, B dash, this is the image, children. So now how we are going to take the sign convention? What is meant by the distance of object or distance of image means? On the graph paper, you know very well, every distance we are going to measure from where? Pole. So now I am going to say from the pole to object, what is the distance is there? This distance is called distance of an object. I am writing here distance of an object equals to AP equals to, I am writing this axis representing plus or minus. This is the negative x-axis, sir. That's why I am taking distance of an object AP equals to minus, I am keeping here. Did you understand, children, why I kept minus? Because object is left side. That's why I kept here minus. So now generally distance of object is, we are going to represent it by letter small u. That's why distance of an object equals to, I am going to take minus u. In some reference books they will give like this. We have to measure distance from the pole, and if direction of measuring, we are measuring this direction, incident ray is traveling in this direction, if both are in opposite direction, you have to take the minus. This is little bit in the class 10 children, they will get the confusion. That's why I have made this graph paper. I have given another method. Graph paper, you know, this is the minus, this is the plus, this is the above, y-axis is the plus, below y-axis is the origin, below is the minus. So you can apply easily. So now distance of an object is minus u. If, for example, I want to calculate the distance of image. Distance of image means, once observe, P to A dash. Distance from P to A dash is distance of image. So I hope you can understand, children, this thing. I am writing here distance of an image equals to PA dash. Here also you can write here, this thing is, children, PA. PA dash means this is which side? Left side only. This is the minus axis. Then I am going to write here, it is also going to be represented by minus with a sign. Then image distance generally we are going to represent with the letter small v. That's why I am going to write here v, children. Distance of object represented by u, distance of an image represented by v. If object is left side, minus sign. If object is formed at the left side, also it is also contain the minus sign. If sometimes, you know, children, when object is, I am going to take place between the pole and focus, object is formed the back side of the mirror, sir, then okay, no problem. When it is going to form back side of the mirror, it is positive x-axis, then v becomes positive. Second thing is height of the object. Height of the object is what? AB. I am writing this is HO. HO means height of object. I am writing here, children, height of an object equals to, I am going to write plus. Why I wrote plus? Once observe here, when you are going to see the height 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, it is representing on which axis? Positive y axis. That's why height of an object I am keeping plus, and height of the object is represented by letter HO. That's why I am writing here plus HO. Next one is height of an image equals to, if you observe here clearly, this is height of an image. It is the height is representing on, this is the negative y axis. That's why I am keeping here minus h high. This is enough to do numericals and to derive the mirror formula. Okay, sir, this is for the concave mirror you told. How you are going to apply for the convex mirror? Before that thing, little bit I want to ask one question to you. The distance from the pole to focus, already we discussed, that is called focal length. Then focal length of the mirror, I am writing here, focal length of concave mirror, positive or negative? Very good, because it is left side, that's why it is the minus f. Again same thing, so center also left side only, that's why radius of curvature equals to minus r, because that is also left side. So now we go to discuss the next one is how we are going to apply the sign for the convex mirror. Okay, same in the previous case. Draw the diagram first. Just imagine the one y-axis and this is the x-axis. This is the positive direction, right side. This is the negative direction, left side. Above the origin, positive, below the origin, minus. Now we are going to discuss convex. So just imagine, in the previous case you imagine children concave mirror. Just now you have to imagine convex mirror. So I am going to take the mirror is like this. Which side should be the colored? Thus this side should be the colored. Inside of the curved surface should be the colored. Then I am going to say this is what? Pole. In the graph paper that is what? Origin. So now I am going to say which side focuses exist. If you are going to imagine the sphere, sphere will come this side. That's why center of curvature is exists this side and focus also exists this side. Sorry children. So now in this case, if you are going to place object here, already I told you, we have to keep object this side only because reflecting surface is this side, left side. So to get the image, we have to keep the object here. Then this is the AB is the object and image is always, we know that image is going to form right side. It is the small image, virtual image A dash B dash. Now please tell to me distance of an object. This I am writing P to A is positive or negative? Negative because it is the left side. Minus distance of image represented by which letter? U. So I am writing here U. Next thing is distance of image represented by letter V. This is which side? Right side. Then I am keeping here plus V. Height of an object. Height of an object represented by HO. It is representing on positive y-axis. Then it is plus HO. Height of an image. Once observe there, it is also representing on positive y-axis. Then it is plus I. Means height of image. And focal length of convex mirror. Focal length of convex mirror, which side is their focal length? This side is their focus. That's why this is positive or negative. This is the right side sir, positive side sir. That's why it is the plus F. And radius of curvature also, right side is there sir. This is the R, right side is there. That's why I am keeping here plus R. But children, sometimes in our book numerical, he will give the question is like this. For example, this is the convex mirror given to you. Here he has given the one object here. Right side has given this distance is 10 centimeter. Then in this case, how I have to take the use or shall I take plus or minus? Nothing is there children, don't worry about it. Simply this diagram, according to our diagram, convert it. Converting means you simply just imagine that I am taking this axis, keeping that side, this line I am keeping back side. Then you will get the images like this. If I am going to take, this is the convex. Now I am going to keep here, this is the object, 10 centimeter, this is the distance. Now I hope you are able to do this question, children. So now when the question given in this manner, you can convert into easy way and you can apply the rule, you can do the numerical. So this is about the sign conversion of the spherical mirrors. I hope you understood. If any doubts are there, give in the comment box. We are going to clarify you. Thank you.